Yes. Can you give me one example, Sarang? Sarang Das? Any example that you apply the force? So many things we are doing. Huh?
Car pushing. Pushing car.
Okay. Okay. Advait, what happened to your video? Advait, Taiwalat, come. Tell me. Give one example for force.
Gravitation.
Huh?
Gravitation.
Okay.
Gravitation.
Okay. Alina, can you give me another example?
Kicking a ball.
Yes, kicking a ball. Okay. Anything else? Dennis, can you give me one example, Dennis?
Yes, ma'am. Opening a door.
Opening the door. Very good. Okay. Dion Xavier, can you give me another example?
Goalkeeper saving a goal.
Okay. Navin, yes, can you give one example? You are applying the force. So many things we do, correct? Force. Navin, did you walk?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you walk? Did you run?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you run? I'm asking you. Do you run?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, children. So every action what we do, sitting, eating, writing,
Yeah.
picking. Okay, Navin? Okay. Unmute. Mute it. So all that kicking, everything, playing, then yes, writing, eating, for everything. I am picking up this, correct? Yes, I am applying the force. So every action is an example of a force. But actually, what is force? That is what some of you already given me answer. Force is a push or pull, correct? A force is a push or pull. Yeah. Can you see me the board? Yes. So a force is a push or a pull or both. Some suddenly it will take place. You know it. When you play basketball or when you play badminton, will you do the push or pull? Will you do when you play badminton?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But yes. How do you push? When you play badminton, how do you push? Where is the push is taking place?
In the bat.
When you hit the
bat.
shuttle with the bat, you are pushing, correct? But if the shuttle is coming back to your bat and you are, sometimes you will play like this, no? And the shuttle come back to the bat like that. So that is pull. Similarly, when you close the door, is it push or pull?
Push.
Push.
Push. When you open the door, is it push or pull?
Pull.
Pull, correct.
Pull.
That is why a force is a push or a pull or both. It will take. Similarly, when you play the cricket, a bowler is bowling. Is it push or pull? Bowler is bowling. Tell me, is it push or pull?
Ma'am, push.
Push.
Yes, it is a push. It is a push. Okay. The batsman hitting a six. Is it push or pull?
Push.
Push.
Yes,
Push.
push. Now you are lifting the back. Is it push or pull? Lifting
Pull.
the
Pull.
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 Yes, pull. Correct? Yes. Okay, so like that. So many, in every game, every play you do, you are push or pull. Writing on the notebook, is it push or pull?
Push. Push.
The push, very good. But picking up the book?
Pull.
Pull.
Pull. Yeah, picking up a chalk? Pull. Correct? So this is why we call a force is a push or pull. Now when you push or pull, what happens to the objects? Do they remain the same place or they have some changes?
Ma'am, change position. Ma'am, change
They
position.
change position.
Yes, they change, they move, they change the position. And if you ride a bicycle, you come a roundabout. What do you do with the bicycle?
Change position.
You turn the bicycle, no? You turn. So that means you are changing the direction. Suppose after having Coca-Cola in a plastic bottle while you are going for a train, in a train, what do you do after drinking that plastic bottle?
Ma'am, throw.
We throw. When you throw, what you do? We will crush it. Correct? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember while you are in the school, you do some naughty things with the paper balls? What do we do, Aryan?
Rocket.
Throw it.
We make a ball, and then what else you will have in your hand? Only ball? Rubber band. Do you remember?
Rocket.
You have a ball also. There's a rubber band also with that, correct? While your friend is sitting at the back or sideways, you put the...
Ma'am, and they pull the rubber band and the...
They pull and leave it. And
all
Ma'am,
the...
very pain only, ma'am.
Very
pain.
I know. I caught them so many. Okay. In last year before that. Okay, it's standard and all that they used to play during the class time. They take the rubber band, put the paper ball and throw it. Correct? You stretch it. So all this. So when you hold a paper ball, we are changing the shape and size. That means while we apply the force, there's a lot of things are happening. That is, one thing is a force can move an object. Then when you push, you are moving away the object. When you hit, you are moving the object away from you. When you pull, you are pulling towards you. That is, one is away, one is pulling. As you do all those things, what will happen? You will have changes. The body will move, body will change direction, body will have position change, and body will change the shape and size. Now, these are some examples what I have given. Now, what I wanted you to write, you will write only the first point. Put the first point, give the heading force. Give the heading force.
I write all the.
Yeah, right?
I write all the points.
Okay, those who have, because some of your audio is not clear because you are speaking from the screen, some problem with the board, so I can't understand what you say. Anyway, those who have book, you write it down, others can write it later. Clear? I will send to the WhatsApp some of the points here. Okay, so force is a push or pull or both. I wanted only that to write. First point you write heading force. Afterwards you write only that one, which I rounded. Only that I wanted, okay? That is, a force is a push or a pull or both. Now you can write some of the examples. You can see the last one. Combination of push and pull I have given there. Other things you don't have to write because that is explanation. You know the pushing, how it takes place. You don't have to write. Combination of push and pull. Don't write the heading. You only write the examples. Playing a guitar. We do push and pull both. Correct? Because you are striking. So string goes and comes. Sawing wood means cutting the wood. Do you remember? That is sword. We keep it. Scrubbing the floor. Yes, scrubbing you do both push and floor. Your mothers, they scrub the, wash basin.
Dishes.
Yeah, cleaning, dishes. Scrubbing the floor, cleaning dishes, rowing a boat also push and pull. Then after that, you can write
opening and closing a bottle.
Yes, closing a bottle, playing cricket. You can add these things also. Playing cricket, some of the games. Cricket, hockey, football, which you like. It's not necessary that you have to write only this. You can write any examples. All these are examples of force. Clear? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Force is a push or a pull. Did you complete? An example you can write. Playing a guitar. Why I'm telling you to write it this? Because these things are both are there. Pull or push, both are there. Cleaning dishes, scrubbing the floor, sweeping the floor. Yeah. Sewing wood, rowing a boat. All these things. Clear? Completed? Very simple, because today we are not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So next.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, in between, 1 minute. This under some examples, okay? That's okay. Next, you have to write it. Effects of force on object. Today we have learned effects of force, that is moving, the motion and all. So you can copy down these points here. Effects of force on an object. Effects of force. Write the next second point, effects of force on an object. First one, force can make an object to move from rest. That is motion. Second point, force can stop a moving object. Force can stop a moving object. Third point, force can change the speed of an object. That much enough. If it is moving, it's clear. You can write only that short sentences. All these points, that's what I told you, you would have a notebook, because these are some important points. You remember, you can study for your MCQ questions answers. I'll be giving from the class notes. Okay. Force can change the speed of an object. Force can change the speed of an object. Fourth point, force can change the direction of motion of an object. Force can change the direction of motion of an object. And fifth change, force can change the shape of an object. Force can change the shape of an object. Okay, so I think for today that's enough. We have only learned what is force and effects of force. And next class, that is on Friday, we will have more thing. How does force apply and all those things. Clear? Okay, copy. So these are some examples what we see in our daily life where the changes are taking place. So when we summarize all these effects, we can say force changes the state of motion because speed, direction, everything is come under motion. So force changes the state of motion or state of rest. Because small classes you have studied push or pull. But when you come to higher classes, little more detail. So finally, comprising all this, we can have an equation: force changes the state of motion or state of rest of an object. That is little more advanced way of explaining the force. How these two things are happening, that is why. So if I ask you what are the effects of force, you have to write all the 5 points. What is the definition of the force? You will write force is a push or pull, and also force changes the state of motion or state of rest of an object. Okay, it is a reset. Force is a reset which changes the state of motion or state of rest. I hope everyone has completed. Okay, simple, correct? Nihal, can you tell me one of the effect of the force? Just give me that one point is enough.
Force changes the place.
Yes. Asara, can you give me the next point? Force changes?
Force can stop a moving object.
Okay. Jagan Krishna, can you give me the third point?
Force can change the speed of an object.
Okay, very good. For who else did not give me answer? Mariam, can you tell me the next point?
Yes, ma'am. Force can make an object to move from
Yes.
the rest.
Okay. Avnita, can you tell me the last point which they did not say?
Force can change the shape of an object.
Okay. So for today's class, you will learn this effects of force and the definition of force. So force is a push or pull or both, and it is a reason for changing the motion of state of motion or state of rest. Clear? Okay. And today I will be sending the 2 question answers that you have to copy. In the ruled sheets. This is our class note. This I won't be correcting, but class notes. You have to, means ruled sheets. So 2 questions I will be sending today. You copy it down. Okay. Every day if you copy little by little, it will be easy for you. Okay then. Okay. Thank you, students. We will meet
Ma'am,
next Friday. Yes?
ma'am, it's Irene. I'm a new student, so I'd like to know your name.
Dixin. D-I-X-I-N.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
D-I-X-I-N. So you can call me Dixie Miss. Okay. Thank you.